All right, welcome everybody to another edition of 52 Tips. This is where we help you make more money, drive profitability. We give a tip every single week for all year long. That's why there's 52 of them. And this week we are going to talk about the appropriate uses of cash. One of the big challenges we have going on right now is inflation. Inflation is hitting cash balances in a very hard way because if inflation is growing at 6%, which is what it's growing at today, and you're making 0% or very little interest in your checking account, you are in fact losing money. So the first thing that we're going to talk about here is look at all of your liabilities and figure out if there are ways to pay off any liabilities where you might have an interest payment, you might have a lease that could get paid off early and you could avoid other finance charges, anything like that, so you can actually take your cash and make it work for you. Your cash is sitting there, it is losing money. Let's turn it around and make your cash work for you to save you money in either high interest payments or some kinds of lease renegotiations, any kind of thing that can drive extra profitability to you, make your cash work for you, not against you.